Okay guys, here I am again, another day on board of the Niu MQi GT Evo, and I've been riding it for the last 3 days, and now I have a little bit more knowledge how the things works, and some things I forgot to mention on the review video, where you can watch in either of these corners. I never know which corner it is. The information will be there. You can watch the review of the motorcycle. Things I forgot to mention. First of all, when you disconnect the motorcycle, if you turn the steering to the left, it will automatically lock the steering. So you don't need a key, you don't need anything. Once it is disconnected, just turn the ignition, it will lock. Then you will need the key to unlock it. Put the key here, just turn it, and for that you will need it. But that's it. Super simple, super practical. This motorcycle, like I said, it has an app, it comes with an alarm, it works. It's not the most noisy alarm on the world, but it is an alarm. Another thing I mentioned, we do have the turn signals. They have a sound assigned to it. These lights here, they blink, but we also have an LED light here on the side to make the motorcycle more visible in an intersection or something like that. Someone that's coming on that side can see at least if they are paying attention at night, they will see the light and makes me more visible and in theory a little bit more safe. Another thing that I tried, and it's work, of course, the batteries, they are removable. I explained that, but you can charge it also on the motorcycle. I tried both of the options, and I prefer the second option, charging it directly on the motorcycle whenever I can, of course. If I cannot, I have to take the batteries. But since the supplied cable, it's only able to charge one battery at a time, if you remove them, you have to carry both batteries, you have to carry the adapter or the charger, you have to carry the wires, you have to carry the helmet, which is the one I have here, you have to carry my suitcase, all that thing up to my house to carry, and it is a lot of things to carry. Each battery around 14 kilograms, so you're talking 28 kilograms plus helmet, plus the bag that I have on my back. There are a lot of things to carry. Once you get home, you put everything charging, one battery at a time. It's the only thing that I didn't like. I wish they'd supply a cable with a splitter that can charge both batteries simultaneously, or at least charge one, and when it's automatically charged, change to the other one without my intervention. If you charge on the motorcycle, everything it's direct. It charges one battery, then it charges the other, and you don't need to worry about anything. Only thing you have to worry, it's storage, because we do have space underneath the seat for the two batteries, and if you do not carry the charger, you can put a wallet, you can put a little pouch, nothing much more bigger than that. But if you have the charger, the space is gone. Basically, that's it. You have zero space for your stuff. So I would recommend, and I think I did recommend on the review video, at least to buy a top case for this scooter. I don't know if they manufacture or not, but if they don't, they should manufacture a top case for this scooter, in order for me at least to store my helmet or to put my bags and not being carrying it, which I am now, and I don't like it very much. This is a scooter, and the scooter should have space for us to storage things. This is my opinion, of course. Everyone is entitled to their opinion. And now another important thing that these 3 days gave me the possibility, it is the range that you are able to have with this motorcycle. I did my commute from home to work and work to home 2 days, okay, and I tried different things on both days. First day, this is my commute, which we are watching here now. So there is no regenerative braking because I'm not using the brakes anywhere, and I'm just giving it throttle. So the first day I was playing with two modes: the sport mode, the most interesting mode and the one I like riding more, and the dynamic mode, because on some parts of the road I didn't need to go the 110 or 114 or 15 kilometers an hour that the motorcycle reached. I just needed to go 80 or 85 kilometers an hour, and for that I just did something like this and changed for dynamic, and I was riding on that mode. Okay, basically those are the things I did on the first day. And to do 22 kilometers and a half I spent 30% battery, which means if I go home, work and work home, I will spend 60% to do 55 kilometers. That's it. Which means I do not have the 2 days that I was expecting to have. I was counting it to spend around 25% battery, but no, it spends 30%, so it gives me 1 day and a half, and the next day when I reach the office I would have to charge the batteries. Second day I did everything on sport mode, the same commute, the same everything, sport mode, not worrying about the speeds and everything. And guess how much percent battery it drained each commute? Exactly the same 30%. So I didn't need to be wasting my time on day one changing modes and watching the speeds and everything. Just leave it on sport mode, it will drain exactly the same thing. I don't know why, but it did. It's like this. I'm just telling you my experience. So this is my experience, and both days 30% each route. So work, home work 30%, home work another 30%, so 60%. Basically that's it. One thing that you have to take in consideration, it's when they say the motorcycle or scooter does 75 kilometers range, you have to pay attention to a little detail. Let's put this set 100%. Okay, I leave home. It's on sport mode, the strongest mode. Sport mode, nothing blocked and everything's free. I do 75% on sport mode. When it reaches the 25% battery level, it will automatically change for dynamic mode. It still says there sport, but the behave it's dynamic, because you will not be able to go over the 81 or 82 kilometers an hour. And if you go down, now it's the one I don't know, it's either 15 or 10%, because I didn't notice that just when I looked down it was already 9%, so I don't know if it changes at 10 or 15%. Then it goes down to economic or e-save mode, which doesn't let you go speeds over 50 kilometers an hour. All of this, most of the electric scooters work with this. It's just to let you know, so you don't think that you can do all the 75 kilometers at full throttle. You will not be able to do it. The batteries and the EMU, or the intelligence or the service that works with this scooter, will know that battery is 25%, it will change the mode automatically for you, and then 10 or 15, I don't know which one, it will change again for the economic, in order to make you reach your destination, or at least try to be more close to your destination. The only problem with that is that on these roads that I was here, riding at 70 kilometers an hour, it's okay. Riding at 45-50 kilometers an hour, it's dangerous. So it's just a precaution for you guys when you're planning your trips. Know exactly how much battery you have, know how the battery works, so you can plan the route and be safe. And basically those are the things that I missed on the first video, and I wanted to share with you on this one. I hope it was helpful. If it was helpful, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!